Ever wonder who keeps the office running smoothly? Who makes sure everyone has what they need to succeed? It's the administrative officer. They are the glue that holds everything together. Administrative officers are vital to any organization. They are the masters of organization and efficiency. Without them, things would quickly fall apart. Interested in learning more about this crucial role? Read on. This essay will be your guide to the world of administrative officers. We will explore the ins and outs of this exciting career path. First, we'll take a deep dive into the daily tasks and responsibilities. Then, we will uncover the skills and experience you need to succeed. Finally, we'll examine the work environment, challenges, and rewards that come with being an administrative officer. Administrative officers wear many hats. They are the backbone of any organization, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. They are responsible for a wide range of tasks, from the mundane to the complex. These tasks ensure the office runs smoothly, allowing other employees to focus on their specific roles without any hitches. One day you might be answering phones and emails, acting as the first point of contact for clients and colleagues. The next day, you might be organizing meetings and events, coordinating schedules, and making sure everything is in place for a successful gathering. You might also manage calendars, book travel, and prepare presentations, ensuring that executives and team members are well prepared for their tasks. No 2 days are the same. The dynamic nature of this role keeps things interesting and engaging. To excel in this role, you will need a specific skill set. Organization is key. Keeping everything in order is crucial for maintaining efficiency. You'll also need great communication skills, both written and verbal. Clear communication helps in avoiding misunderstandings and ensures smooth operations. Being proficient in computer software like Microsoft Office is a must. These tools help you manage tasks more effectively and stay organized. Don't worry, we'll talk more about skills later on. Stay tuned to learn how you can develop and hone these essential skills. Section 4: The Admin Life, Teamwork, Tools, and More. Administrative officers are often the heart of the office. They ensure that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. They work closely with people from different departments, acting as a bridge to facilitate communication and collaboration. This requires strong teamwork and interpersonal skills. Being able to work well with others is essential for success. You'll be interacting with colleagues, managers, and clients on a daily basis, handling various tasks and responsibilities. Building positive relationships is crucial. It helps create a supportive and productive work environment. Technology plays a big role in the life of an administrative officer. From scheduling meetings to managing databases, tech is indispensable. You'll be using computers, printers, scanners, and more. These tools help you perform your duties efficiently. Software like Microsoft Office Suite and email clients will be your best friends. Mastering these tools is key to staying organized. Knowing your way around these tools will make your work much easier. It allows you to focus on what truly matters, supporting your team and ensuring the office runs smoothly. Section 5: The Good, the Challenging, and the Rewarding. Like any job, being an administrative officer has its pros and cons. It's a role that requires a balance of various skills and a keen eye for detail. The work can be demanding at times, especially during peak business periods or when important projects are due. You might face tight deadlines or have to juggle multiple tasks simultaneously, which can be quite stressful. However, the challenges are outweighed by the rewards. The sense of accomplishment you feel after successfully managing a complex task is unparalleled. Knowing you play a vital role in the company's success is incredibly fulfilling. Your efforts directly contribute to the smooth operation of the business. Administrative officers enjoy a stable work schedule, typically Monday to Friday, which allows for a good work life balance. The salary can vary depending on experience and location, but it generally provides a comfortable living. However, it is a good starting point for a career in business administration. The best part? The role offers a solid foundation for future career growth. There are many opportunities for growth. With the right attitude and continuous learning, you can advance quickly. With hard work and dedication, You can climb the administrative ladder, taking on more responsibilities and higher positions. You could become a senior administrative officer or even an office manager, leading your own team and making significant decisions for the company.